So I just had to stop at home for a sec. This is home. I had to stop and get my my money. I forgot to take my cash with me, so I'm back on the dinghy now, heading over to Mr. Manatee's for a Sunday burger. Mr. Manatee's is just past that bridge, first channel in. They have a dinghy dock. You can go there with your dinghy, dock, go have lunch. I've already explained all that. Anyhow, so yeah, I'm gonna go there now and enjoy this music. And there it is, Mr. Manatee's, parking for guests. Alright, I'm inside Mr. Manatee's. This is their outdoor patio that's been closed off. And my dinghy's right over there. You can't see it. It's way down there. So I'm gonna order myself a burger and enjoy lunch. Yeah, I totally forgot to take a video of my food, but I will show you this. See, there was a burger and some fries on this, and now I'm working on this nice calamari. So it was good, trust me. Back on the dinghy now, and we're gonna ride back to the mooring bar where my boat is moored at. And we got the sheriff department over here. How you doing, Sheriff? And we'll get going here. There's some kayakers over there, or whatever you want, to stand up boards. So we gotta go slow beside them so we don't cause any wake for them. Some fishing folks. Alright, my battery is going to run low and drain, so I'm gonna have to shut this video off. And once I pass those kayakers, I'll turn it back on again. And here's the Indian County Sheriff's Office Marine Unit passing by. So this is what a Sunday afternoon looks like when you live on a boat. Now it's the cat.
That looked like supper.
No, I look like a catfish.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah.
That could be something.
If you want the next one, I'll save it for you. Today's mission is going back to the hardware store, a propane supplier or anything to replace this hose, my propane tank hose. This is too short, and I have a 5-pound tank, but the 5-pounder drains too fast. So I got a 20-pounder, but it won't fit in my propane tank storage locker. So I have to get a bigger hose so that when I'm using my 20-pounder, I can just take the hose, pull it out, and plug it into the propane deck that's going to be on the deck. And when I'm done, just unscrew it, put it back into the propane tank locker, and for storage. So I have to get a bigger hose than this. This one is only 1 foot. I got to get a 4 or 5 footer one. So that's today's task for down. I'm sure I'll find something else to do. $70 later, we got the part we need. The part was $35, but I got some other things as well. An extension for the tiller for the outboard, so I can stand up, and some headlamps, the ones that go on the head. That's it. So I'm just waiting for the bus to get here so I can go back to the marina.
E18.
Hey, no swearing on video.
Okay.
This is a PG rated channel. This is Peter.
You got both knees done?
No, just one. This is Peter. Peter's helping me fix the
See the holes? You want to see through all of them?
Okay.
Those all gotta go. Now, when you have an idle, like, okay, that has buildup in them. They have buildup.
So we are cleaning the carburetor for the Honda 2 horsepower 4-stroke outboard. I've done it once already with Rob and Ross. Well, just Rob. But Peter over here went in a little further and did a deeper cleaning. That's the outflow.
As long as you didn't break anything.
No.
Oh, fuck this come out here.
We're gonna have to do a lot of blipping on this video. So the outboard is done, carburetor is cleaned. It's a little dark outside right now, so I'm going to test it tomorrow, but it was definitely clogged. We couldn't blow air through, and when we were done with it, it was blowing air very nicely. So it was definitely 100% clogged. And also took care of the propane tank. I installed a longer hose, and now I can use the 20-pounder propane tank instead of the 5-pound propane tank. So that would last a lot longer, so that's good. What else? That's it. Now I just gotta make some dinner and watch some TV and go to sleep. And that's it for today. Today's project is replacing some of the water hoses on the boat. I've noticed at nighttime the water pressure pump kicks in a few times without having the water being used, and so that only means that there's a leak in the system somewhere. So I opened up today. I've looked around. I've cleaned the bilge, which was the pump for the bilge was kicking in a few times as well, and so I pumped out all the water, and I found where there's a potential leak. So I'm going to replace the hose today, the water hose, and so I got everything open. The boat looks a little bit messy right now because I was doing the process of elimination and just going, you know, from the bilge all the way up to where I found a small leak in the faucet for the main galley sink. So I'm gonna replace this hose, and hopefully that's the problem, and the water will stop leaking. The never-ending boat projects, right? Everyone says for every problem you fix, you'll find 2 new ones. That's just That's a very, very true statement. So here we are, working away. There's some dolphin activity going on over there. Right there against that green sign or marker. And just to the left of it now it should be popping out. Nothing. There, right there. There's one more right there. Right there. Oh, there's 3 more. Nice. Lots of dolphins out today. There's one right in here. Next time on Blu Bayou, the dolphins are feeding once again. What a beautiful view. Finally, set sail and head on down south towards Miami. Oh yeah, and the Keisha is back. You remember her from previous episodes, right? Now remember folks, if you like these videos, please share, like, and subscribe. See you next Monday.